So I told some of y'all about this, but I'm running out inside the mini camper. This is the $200 marketplace truck canopy that I bought. Put some wiring, some lights. You see, I left myself a lot of wiring over there, depending on where I wanted to put those two things. So I'm probably going to trim those up. We do have a 12-volt system that allows us to charge it with the truck's alternator that's hooked up to that by Anderson plug to the truck. That sends 40 amps to this battery that's inside here. It's full right now, 12.6 volts. So we got some plugins here. This is a mess, but I don't know, wired up in there. Got some camping supplies. Got my bucket right here that I'm sitting on. Got a fan, all these windows open. There's a custom little screen I made for that guy. I mean, the lights work. Ugh. There we go. And it has its own internal little tailgate here. And then there's that. Here's the dolly I built for it. It's on wheels with brakes. The camper is also on wheels with brakes. The storage boxes, this obviously butts up to the back of the truck. There are D-rings inside the truck bed that I can secure those tie downs to with the ratchet strap. Painted the visible part black so that it doesn't really stick out. Motion lights that are solar charged. Handle so I can move everything myself. But my one dilemma is that's really high. So I have to jump up just a bit to get to that. But where we are right now, I've taken it for a couple drives on some, diagonally, aggressively over speed humps, and just to kind of stress test it a little bit. But we'll see how she does. I'll stress test it a little harder each time until I take it out to the trails.